I've lived all my life next to the largest dump site in East Africa, the Dandora dump site. Every morning I see my neighbors walking into the landfill and scavenging for plastic, for metal, for glass, anything that they can sell to make a living. Globally, we have millions of people doing this. However, they cannot keep up with the amount of waste we generate. By the year 2050, the World Bank estimates that we'll have double the amount of waste we produced 10 years ago. And this is directly proportional to the amount of CO2 emissions from solid waste. In Nairobi, we produce 1 million tons of waste every year. Out of this, only 80% gets recovered. The 20% is what we see on the streets. From the waste recovered, only 45% goes through any form of upcycling or recycling. And this is a problem. I've broken this down into three, in that we have consumer apathy. People don't care where the waste goes as long as it's not near me. We have a cultural problem. We've been managing waste the same way for the last 100 years. And lastly, there's no incentive for people to actually handle or manage their waste correctly. To solve this problem, we came up with the smart bin. This is a bin that uses smart intelligence to identify, sort, and reward users for their trash. How does it work? Well, a user needs to register with their name and with their phone number. And after this, they can find the nearest bin, drop their trash, and earn points that they can redeem for cash or for discounts on products. And who pays for this? Well, recyclers get notified whenever one of our bins is full. They come, empty the bin, and pay the recycling worth of the waste they collect from our bin. In Kenya, we are targeting Nairobi, the 1.5 million households, and this is a 4.8 million Kenyan shillings market and annually. We set ourselves apart by paying users for trash. Secondly, we make use of smart sensors, so you'll never see a bin overflowing. And thirdly, we have zero waste ending up in a landfill. For consumers, you get to earn from trash, you get to monitor your carbon footprint, and we get to have an efficient waste management system in Kenya. Our business model is charging a subscription of 150 shillings per month to maintain the bins, and we charge 20% of the waste collected from our smart bins. It costs us 30,000 to make a bin, and a bin can service up to 1,000 users. We project our monthly recurring revenue to be 150,000 per month per bin. In the first year, we're going to have 60 bins in the market and collecting PET, Tetra Pak, and aluminum. From the 30,000 users we aim to achieve, we're going to have a monthly recurring revenue of 4.5 million Kenyan shillings. By the third year, we're going to collect all types of waste, have 500 bins in the market, and have a monthly recurring revenue of 40 million Kenyan shillings. We are proud of the impact we want to achieve, collecting 6 tons of recyclable waste and recovering 24 tons of CO2 emissions that would have ended up in the environment. In our communities and society, we are going to create jobs, 70 in number, meant for marginalized communities. We are going to close the loop in the circular economy, and we are going to have a direct impact of 20,000 women and youth. I'm here to ask for 90,000 Kenyan shillings and partnerships from you to help me and my team to achieve our goal. We're going to use this funding in product development, in marketing, and in production of 60 bins in the first year. The team achieving this is me, Eric Monene, in product and business development. We have a hardware engineer, Jarvis Maina, and Thomas Suma, in charge of the artificial intelligence part of our bin. Our traction thus far has been production of 6 prototypes, raising $4,000 in grant funding, and carrying out 2 pilots at Multimedia University and at Coca-Cola. We've also signed 1 MOU with Coca-Cola Beverages Africa. These are the partners who believe in us, and I'm asking you to believe in our team and to believe in a cleaner Kenya and a cleaner world. Thank you.